Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to keep your spa water fresh and clear with the Scum Ball Spa Cleanser. The Scum Ball absorbs lotions and oils which can ruin your water chemistry and prematurely clog your spa filters, causing a low flow condition. Step 1. Open the spa cover and remove the filter lid. Step 2. Place the Scum Ball inside the filter compartment. Step 3. After a few months, the Scum Ball may start to deteriorate and change color. When this happens, it's time to replace it with a new one. Good job! Thanks for watching! Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.